Welcome to TechWonk Tutorials. In this tutorial you will know how to find saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows. Unfortunately, if you need to reset the network settings on your phone or tablet, if you don't have password written down anywhere, there's a way you can find out what it is on your Windows PC, as long as you're still connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Just note that this trick only works if you are a local admin on your computer. If not, you'll need to enter the admin username and password. 1. Go to your network adapter settings. This can be done by accessing network connections through the control panel, by using the Run menu, pressing Win+R on your keyboard and typing in nkpa.cpl, or by simply typing in nkpa.cpl in the Start menu. 2. Once the network connections window pops up, find your wireless network, right-click on it, and select Status from the menu. 3. In the Wi-Fi status window, tap on Wireless Properties. 4. Go to the Security tab, and check the box next to Show Characters. That's all. Your password will appear in the text box next to Network Security Key, and with the password in hand, you can give it away to a friend or family member, use it on your other devices, or even just jot it down somewhere so you can quickly access it later without having to go through this process again. Thanks for watching. Please, like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials.